National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Eastland County in north-central Texas, northwestern Yarath County in north-central Texas, Palo Pinto County in north-central Texas, southeastern Stevens County in north-central Texas, until 9 p.m. At 7:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Gordon, or 11 miles east of Ranger, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This is a dangerous storm. Hazard, baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding and vehicles. Locations impacted include Mineral Wells, Eastland, Ranger, Gordon, Strawn, and Mingus. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 339 and 389. This storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north-central Texas.